everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing all of my August favorites. These are products that either are new to me in the last month or I have used for several months and I just keep going back to them because they are that good. These products can range from household products to baby products to makeup, hair stuff, you name it, anything related to beauty or moms, because I'm a mom. So the first thing is bobby pins. Now these bobby pins have just recently come out, I believe. These are the Pin&hold bobby pins and it says embrace your curves. So most bobby pins on one side are like, has a rigged side on it. These are smooth on both sides, but if you look at it, it like kind of dips down. So these bobby pins are meant to either hold in curls better or to hold in really untamed hair back. And for me, these are amazing and I love these. I like found my holy grail hair product because I have these hairs up here. Like you can see, like this hair, I got it smooth back right now. But when I pull my hair all the way back, I have all these hairs that just kind of stick out and I can never, no matter how hard I try to pin them back, they won't stay back. And I do use the rigged side towards my head and not on the outside, and it still doesn't work. And I found these bobby pins and I was like, oh my goodness gracious. So these are like my new favorite. So if you have hair that is very hard to pin back, go get you some of these because these work so good and I am so excited that I found these. Speaking of hair products, I have recently come across the Sleep Styler curlers. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen this on Shark Tank or just seen it around on TV, but these are heatless curlers. So basically, they're just regular rollers that you put in your hair at night, or you don't even have to put them in at night. You could just put them on 3 hours before you have to go to an event or something. You basically just get your hair damp enough, about 80% from being dry, and then you just roll these into your hair just like you would do like a barrel, and you just let them sit in your hair until your hair is completely dry, and then you can pull the curlers out and you have really fun waves or curls or however you want your hair to look. There's different ways of rolling your hair to get the look that you desire, but I have been loving these. So they come in a medium style and they come in a longer style. And I go for more of the longer styles. If you have shorter hair, then the mini ones are yours. So I have been really loving these. I hate putting heat on my hair just because my hair gets damaged very easily and dries out very easily. And so these are like my new best friends. I've always wanted curly hair. I naturally have kind of wavy, frizzy, untamed hair. So I either just straighten it or just let it be who it wants to be. But I always want curly hair, but I don't want to use a curling iron. So I found these and I tried them and I love them. I used these for my friend's wedding. This is how I did my hair and my hair was curly, but I have been loving curling my hair like every night now because I have these bad boys. So these I will leave in the description. I'll leave everything that I show you guys in the description. So if you guys want to try them out, they'll be there for you. All right, moving on to another category is skincare. Now, I am a huge believer in skincare and taking care of your skin. And I'm always trying new products to see what will work for my face. I have combination skin. I'm very oily in my T-zone and then kind of have dry spots in other places. So it's kind of hard for me to just pinpoint exactly what my skin needs. I have always just tried different cleansers here and there. And I hear all the time that people use Dove soap. And I was like, okay, you know what, I'll give it a try. And I did. And I really love the Cool Moisture, the one with the cucumber on it. My skin is pretty acne prone anyway, not bad. I don't have it bad at all, but I still get blemishes here and there. And this has dramatically changed that. I still have the blemishes, but let me tell you guys, this Dove soap is amazing. And I don't know why I didn't use it in the first place because it's super, super good. So I am a huge mask person. I love masks. I love paper masks. I love peel off masks. I love any kind of mask, whether I am by myself and I just want to pamper myself a little bit, or my face really needs something special. I love wearing a mask. I came across this mask about a week ago from e.l.f. and it is their pore clearing glitter peel off mask. This has charcoal, witch hazel, and lavender in it. It says this black glittery peel off mask strips away impurities and dead skin to reduce the appearance of enlarged pores. Peel away dirt, oil, and clogged pores to reveal softer, clearer looking skin. Enriched with charcoal, witch hazel, and lavender to reveal a more refined complexion. Guys, the back of this can claim whatever it wants to be, whether it's just a smoothing, hydrating mask, whatever. The mask itself is just super fun. It's just super glittery and sparkly and fun to just put it all over your face and just, it's just fun. I've noticed a difference when I use this mask around my pore areas. I definitely feel like it stripped away impurities and just left my skin looking a lot clearer and softer. I do have enlarged pores. This mask itself is super fun, and I believe this was only $6. So, and it comes in 2.47 ounces. So for like $6, that's not bad. But I will leave it down below for you guys. But I would go check this out because it is a really fun mask, and if you're having girls' night or whatever, you guys are doing masks, this is a super fun one. Alright, so moving on to makeup. I had came across also from e.l.f. their Glow Gleam Beam highlighter palette. Now, this has 6 shades. It's got 1 glitter shade, 2 shimmer shades, and 3 metallic shades. And I have been loving this palette. Just look at those shades. Oh my goodness, let me do a swatch for you guys here. So this one is called, they don't have names for it, but this one is right here, this white one. That's their glitter shade. So it's not as pigmented as you think it would be. And these two right here are their shimmer shades. Wow, look at that. Holy cow, those are gorgeous. And then the 3 bottom here, I'm gonna have to switch my other hand. The 3 bottom ones down here are their metallic shades. And look at that. Woo! I have been loving playing with this palette, guys. This is a super affordable palette. e.l.f. has very affordable products in it, and I think this is new. I haven't seen this before. This might be new, this might not be new, I am not sure. But I really, really love this palette. If you want a really good highlight but want it to be super affordable, I would go check this one out because it's super good. So my favorite eyebrow pencil from this drugstore right now is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil. I love this, not only because it's a perfect shade for my eyebrows, but the tip is super fine on it and it lasts a really long time. I used to use the CoverGirl one, but that one doesn't last as long, and the shade was a little bit darker for me. So I found this one, and this was recommended from Allie Glines here on YouTube. I'll leave her YouTube channel down below, but she says this is her new favorite drugstore eyebrow pencil, and so I went and got it, and it's my new favorite eyebrow pencil now. Speaking of eyebrows, I found an eyebrow gel that I really, really like. This is from Rimmel. This is the Brow This Way brow gel. This is just a clear gel. They do have, I believe, like pigmented shades. You can get like a brown, a darker brown. I prefer just a clear one, but it leaves my eyebrows staying in place all day long, and they're not like, they don't look like crusty either, like crunchy. They just look like, you know, very natural and just in place where I want them to be all day. This is a recent find of mine. It is the Milani eyeshadow primer. I don't use this for eyeshadow primer. What I use this for is I use this for my primer on my face. The reason being is because most primers are silicone based, and so they kind of slip around your face and they don't keep everything in place. Whereas an eyeshadow primer is meant to make your makeup last. And so I use this specifically around my nose area and kind of out here a little bit because that's where my makeup usually rubs off. And I've used this and my makeup doesn't rub off. and so I've been really happy with this. And I don't know if it really matters truly if it's the specific eyeshadow primer that I use, but just the eyeshadow primer in general is what will work to keep your makeup in place. So I've been really loving the Maybelline Summer McKeen lip glosses. They are super moisturizing, but they last a really long time. They leave my lips looking super glossy, and I love that they have a little bit of pigment in it so that if I just want to wear this, but I don't want to just like wear a gloss, it has a little bit of pigment in it so I'm not just look like I have really glossy lips. But I've been really loving these lip glosses. You should go check them out. They're really good. Going back to skincare products, I have been really loving the Biore Instant Warming Clay Mask. These are so cool, especially if you want to really pamper yourself using this mask. It warms up on your face as you're applying it, so it feels super, super good. But then it just leaves your face feeling so nice and clear and just super good. This is only like a 1 minute mask, so you're not even having to like wait for like a whole 10, 15, 20 minutes. Just 1 minute and your face just looks really clear and just really, really pretty. Alright, so last thing, and I mentioned these in my last favorites video, it is the Kiss and Press nails, and just Kiss nails in general. I have been really, really loving lately. These have been lasting me for about a week each time I put them on, and they're just super fun, and that way I don't have any chipped nails. I'm wearing them right now, and I love that I can just use these over and over again. These have a super duper good hold on their adhesive, and so they last a long time. I probably get, out of one use, I probably get about 4 or 5 days out of it, which is a lot better than if I painted my nails, because I'm always washing dishes, I'm running around with kids, cleaning the house, and so my nail polish probably lasts me like 2 days maybe. Sometimes not even 1 day. So I really like these because these are super easy to just stick on and go, and they last me a good amount of time before I have to change them out again, which is okay with me because I like doing my nails. So that is it for my favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload any videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.